Well, I suppose the main thing is that process will be supported by somebody with a background in the technology industry, such as myself, as a background as an industry analyst. And then I suppose in terms of it's about us getting an understanding around that technology, because ultimately it's frequently a cash flow lend. So we need to understand what's underpinning that cash flow. So we'll be doing an analysis around things like your barriers to entry, your switching costs, your substitutes, your typical Porter's five forces. So I mean, on that basis, that analysis then will feed into the credit application. So ultimately, the goal is that any viable technology transaction will be supported and won't fail because of a lack of understanding around that technology. Well, I suppose we've done a couple of things to ensure that that's the case. We've made a significant investment in terms of hiring people from industry. Secondly, we've made an investment into proprietary research services. So if it's a technology area that we're not particularly comfortable with, we're able to access into analysts who are. Thirdly, across the bank, we've rolled out an education program to upskill people around key tech trends and terms to remove any kind of fear factor there might be from interacting with technology companies. And finally, we've built our own proprietary data set of the Irish market, so we're able to track trends and performance. One key trend we're seeing in the more mature end of the market is companies with solutions that can address the whole area of technical debt. Deloitte recently had a report that estimated that at around 300 billion. So one of the key things would be how are you able to manage software licenses. In kind of at the earlier stage of the market, obviously you've seen an awful lot of activity in the healthcare technology space, customer experience management solutions, whether that be around loyalty points or similar things like that. And also is an awful lot, particularly if we look at the Enterprise Ireland HPSUs, an awful lot of solutions targeting the mobile marketing space. Firstly, as Ireland's only independent bank, we're very commercially focused. So I think that's reflected in terms of we're very focused in terms of getting fast turnaround times for our clients. We know how important that is. I suppose secondly is our references within the market, the lending that we have done, whether that be in kind of the healthcare space, managed service providers, or in security compliance products. That our understanding is based on recent transactions in the market. In terms of the engagement model we have direct relationships with the bank's VC funds as well, so that's a value add we can offer to our clients.